अपने पैरों की उंगलियों को थोड़ा हिलाएं और महसूस करें कि धरती माँ से ऊर्जा आपके पैरों में प्रवेश कर रही है। महसूस करें कि धरती माँ से ऊर्जा आपके पैरों से ऊपर घुटनों तक जा रही है। महसूस करें कि यह ऊर्जा आपके पैर को रिलैक्स कर चुकी है। अब यह धरती माँ से ऊर्जा आपके पेट, छाती, पीठ, कंधे और हाथों तक जा रही है। महसूस कीजिए कि अब यह ऊर्जा आपके चेहरे की तरफ जा रही है। यह ऊर्जा आपके आँख, नाक, मुंह, कान व पलकों को रिलैक्स कर रही है। महसूस करें कि अब आपका पूरा शरीर रिलैक्स हो चुका है। अब अपना ध्यान हृदय की ओर लाएं। अपने दिल में विद्यमान प्रेम व शांति पूर्वक इसी तरह ध्यान लगाए रखें। जितनी देर आपका दिल चाहे इसी अवस्था में बैठे रहें।
Indian languages are treasures and movements are revered as the source of prosperity. The world is one family, is the ultimate move of life. Thank you.
Along with varied multifarious efforts of everyone involved in this institution, there is much more to thrive and much more to show. So, let's rejoice the majestic journey of the 25 years of Bharati Vidya Bhavan's GIPCL Academy. We cherish the treasured gathering present over here. I am Shona Maurya as the host, along with my co-host,
Jignesh Roy.
On behalf of Bharati Vidya Bhavan's GIPCL Academy Family's Managing Director, Srimati Vatsala Vasudeva, IAS, Shri H.P. Rao Sir, GM, HRNA, and Secretary of Bharati Vidya Bhavan's GIPCL Academy, Principal Shri Vaibhav Agarwal Sir, teachers and students, extend warm greetings and hearty welcome on this propitious occasion of 25th Silver Jubilee celebration. How lovely is the ambience and aura surrounding the stage, which is set up for rocking the crowd present over here. The color of this merriment will unfold and will transport us to another world. But before we unfold this extravaganza, let's welcome our chief guest, Shri H.P. Rao Sir, GM, HRNA, SLPP, and Secretary of Bharati Vidya Bhavan's GIPCL Academy, and Srimati Kalpana Rao Ma'am, and Principal Shri Vaibhav Agarwal Sir, with a huge round of applause.
रजत जयंती का ये अवसर है, 25 साल का साथ है। ज्ञान की इस यात्रा में हमने सफलता का सफर तय किया। शिक्षा की इस धुन में हमने जीवन को नया अर्थ दिया। शिक्षा की इस धुन में हमने जीवन को नया अर्थ दिया। आज से 25 साल पहले इस विद्यालय का बीज बोया गया था, जो आज एक बड़ा वटवृक्ष बन चुका है और समाज को अपने शिक्षा रूपी फल, फूल और छाया प्रदान कर रहा है। हमें ये बताते हुए अत्यंत गर्व हो रहा है कि आज हमारे विद्यालय के छात्र समाज में अनेकों प्रतिष्ठित एवं सम्मानित पदों पर कार्यरत हैं एवं देश और समाज की सेवा में जुटे हुए हैं। हमारे विद्यालय की इस यशस्वी समर्पण यात्रा का मूल्य है हमारे छात्रों की ओर से किया गया अथक परिश्रम एवं समर्पण। आप सबके अनवरत समर्थन एवं प्रोत्साहन के फलस्वरूप आज हमारा विद्यालय अपनी विभिन्न गतिविधियों के कारण इस क्षेत्र का नहीं बल्कि राज्य और देश के सम्मानित स्कूलों में अपना अनोखा स्थान बना चुका है। अभिभावकों, समाज के गुणीजनों एवं प्रबंधन GITCL इस अनन्य सहयोग हेतु विद्यालय सदैव आपका ऋणी रहेगा। इन 25 सालों की गौरव कथा की यात्रा में उत्सव की प्रस्तुति, जिसे हमने रेट्रो डिवाइड का शीर्षक दिया है, जिसमें हम पिछले सालों की झांकियां प्रस्तुति करेंगे। तो आइए हमारे विद्यालय की इस यश गाथा के सहभागी बने और हमारे रजत जयंती समारोह का अनन्य सहयोगी बनकर हमारे छात्रों का उत्साहवर्धन करें।
To begin with the program, let's introduce the energizing and charismatic master of the ceremony with a huge round of applause as they come on the stage to host today's program of the 25th Silver Jubilee celebration of Bharati Vidya Bhavan GITCL Academy.
From class 1.
Teachers.
My name is Annie and studying in class 1. My name is Anvi from class 1. My name is Sarvadati from class 1. My name is Zain from class 2. My name is Mohammed Anwar, senior teacher. Good evening. My name is Shobhana from class 2nd. Namaste. My name is Mohammed from class 2J. Good evening. My name is Rabia from class 3rd. Good evening. I am Ryan from class 4.
Good evening, my name is Raj Pandey from class 5th.
Good evening. Myself Partham from class 5th.
Good morning, myself Om Paitali from class 6th.
Namaste. I am Andrea from class 6th.
Good evening, my name is Vedan Babaladia from class 7.
Hello, myself Prakash from class 8.
Good evening. My name is Govinda from class 3. Hello. My name is Fatima Machia from class 4. Namaste. My name is Amanda Kali from class 4. Hello. Myself Fatima Hari from class 5th.
Good evening, my name is Pratyusha Jaina from class 5th.
Hello. Myself Ayushi Singh from class 6.
Myself Saima Sheikh from standard 7. Good evening, myself Aisha Patel from class 7. Good evening, myself Chandra from class 8. Namaste, myself Anjali Sharma from class 9. Good evening, myself Sneha Padi from class 9.
This event lively and dazzling. We are confident that your efforts will be truly remarkable.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। इन्हीं मंगल कामनाओं के साथ हम दीप प्रज्वलन करने जा रहे हैं।
May all beings be happy. May all be free from illness. May all see auspiciousness. And may no one suffer. On this momentous occasion of school's 25th Silver Jubilee celebration, let's seek the blessings and the Almighty. आज સેવા આપી આપણા સંસ્થાનના મજબૂત આધાર સ્તંભ બની રહેલા પૂર્વ સહાયકાર શ્રીમતી લક્ષ્મીબેન અને શ્રીમતી કપિલાબેન આજે આપણી સાથે હોવા બદલ અમે ખૂબ જ આભારી છીએ. આજના પ્રતિનિધિ તરીકે આપણા હૃદયપૂર્વક આભારી છીએ. આપની હાજરી આજે અમારા માટે અમૂલ્ય છે.
शांति ब्रह्म शांति सर्वं शांति शांतिरेव शांति सामा शांतिरेव शांति शांति शांति
और अभिनंदन है.
હવે હું માનનીય રાવ સર તથા પ્રિન્સિપલ સર શ્રીને વિનંતી
આપણે દીપ પ્રાપ્ત અગત્ય દ્વારા આહ્વાન કર્યું ત્યારે આપણી શાળાને આપની હાજરીથી આ અવસરની શોભા બમણી થઈ ગઈ. તે સહાયરૂપ થયા હતા. બંને કર્તવ્યની 2 મહિનાની સેવા દરમિયાન તેમણે દરેક ફરજ નિષ્ઠાથી અને કપિલાબેને તેમના મમતાભર્યા સ્વભાવના સ્પર્શને કારણે તેમનું સ્ટેટસ જરૂર બનાવ્યું. આવનાર દિવસ
and talent. It's an honor to have such a esteemed guest among us. To express our heartfelt respect and gratitude, let us present a floral token to our special guest. I Shri S.P. Rao sir, GM, HRNA and Secretary of PWDRPCL Academy. I request our Principal sir to present a floral token to Srimati Lakshmiben. I request our respected Principal sir to kindly present a floral token to Kapilaben.
तुम्हें केम ताली नहीं बजाता भाई. तुम्हारे बच्चों का लालन पालन किया है प्रेम से, भाव से, करुणा से. हमसे ज्यादा रोल होता है. तो आपके बच्चों का जो सम्मान किया, उन्हें प्रेम दिया और बिना अनकंडीशनल अनसीन हीरोज की तरह से तो ये दोनों भाई 24 साल अपने जीवन के इन्होंने इस संस्था को दिए और बच्चों के लिए दिए. तो हम इस क्षमता का सम्मान करते हैं और उनके समर्पण का सम्मान करते हैं. तो आपकी तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. जोर से बताइए एक बार और. थैंक यू वेरी मच. और ये छोटा सा प्रयास हमारे स्टाफ मेंबर्स ने किया. जब हम ईश्वर के साथ जुड़ते हैं तो हमारी कल्पना और हमारी संवेदनाओं का एक विस्तार होता है और जब उसका कनेक्शन होता है तो इस तरह के कार्य संभव होते हैं. तो मैं एक बार फिर आप सबसे अनुरोध करूंगा कि एक बार तालियों से बजा के इनके समर्पण और प्रेम का अभिवादन कीजिए. धन्यवाद.
I would invite Asma Bula, head girl, and Jigyasu Sangvi, head boy, to present a floral token to our respected principal, Shri Vaibhav Agarwal sir.
आइए हमें कुछ जितना हमसे हो सकता है कुछ करें और हम ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं. वो सब भी प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आपकी आयु बहुत अच्छी हो, आपकी सभी मनोकामनाएं पूरी हो और आप सबका जो प्रेम है वो ऐसे ही बना रहे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
કદાચ જે જૂના છે એમને ખ્યાલ હશે કે સૌથી પહેલાં GIPCL BUT એકેડેમીનું જ્યારે નામ આવ્યું અને કીધું કે આપણે શરૂઆત કરીએ છીએ તો સૌથી પહેલાં શરૂઆત માટે શું જોઈએ એના છોકરાઓને ધ્યાન રાખવાનું જોઈએ. તો ડોલી મેડમ જોડે સૌથી પહેલા હતા બરાબર. પાટણમાં જ્યારે ચાલુ કર્યું ત્યારે ફર્સ્ટ એમ્પ્લોય તરીકે ડોલી મેડમ અને બેન આપણે લક્ષ્મીબેન એ સૌથી પહેલા જોઈન કરેલું હતું. અને એમને કદાચ આપણા છોકરાઓને આપણે ઘરમાં જે સાચવીએ એના કરતાં બહુ લાડ પ્યારથી એમને સ્કૂલમાં છોકરાઓને સાચવ્યા છે. એમને બહુ જ સારી રીતના ઘણી વખત કદાચ આપણે નહીં કહેતા હોઈએ પણ એ લોકોએ છોકરાઓને શું સંસ્કાર આપેલા છે એ અમે લોકો તો જોઈને હું સંસ્કારવાળો આપું છું, બહુ કોન્શિયસલી શબ્દ વાપરું છું. એમણે જે છોકરાઓને સંસ્કાર રૂપી જે કંઈ ભાથું આપ્યું છે એ કદાચ આપણા જે છોકરાઓ છે એમને ખ્યાલ હશે.
धन्यवाद सर, धन्यवाद. दीजिए प्लीज मैम.
Any path we follow, the ultimate goal is the same: fostering humanity, promoting compassion, and nurturing understanding. Let's now immerse ourselves in this sacred moment as we begin with the prayers from different religions, embracing the spirit of oneness.
Thank you.
for joining us in this soulful experience.
Aigiri Nandini refers to goddess Durga, known for her strength and valor. This prayer is composed in Sanskrit and it is in the praise of goddess, invoking her divine qualities such as fearlessness, protection and ability to vanquish evil. It describes her beauty, strength and blessings she bestows upon her devotees. The prayer highlights various attributes of the goddess, including her role as protector of righteous and a destroyer of evil. So let us invoke Goddess Durga through a Bharatanatyam dance performance.
इसी हम सभी पर
माय वॉइस सर थोड़ा बढ़ा दीजिए। ये नमस्ते, जय श्री कृष्णा, आदाब, गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। प्लीज गिव ए बिग हैंड फॉर योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट। थैंक यू very much for your presence, and this time I hope you all are on time. So, hats off to all of you. Good evening, respected chief guests, esteemed members of the management, honorable parents, dedicated staff, and my dear students. It's with immense pride and joy that I stand before you today as we gather to celebrate 25th annual day of our school, a day that marks not just a year of achievements but a glorious journey of 25 years filled with dedication, perseverance and excellence. This year is truly special as it is our silver jubilee celebration, a milestone that reflects the unwavering commitment of everyone associated with this institution. Together, we have grown from a humble beginning into a beacon of holistic education, nurturing countless young minds who have gone on to shine brightly in various walks of life. This year, in addition to celebrating our achievements, we are taking a step further to align ourselves with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. These 17 goals, ranging from eradicating poverty and hunger to ensuring quality education, gender equality, and climate action, serve as a global call to action for a better future. As educators, it's our responsibility to instill in our students not only academic excellence but also a deep sense of social responsibility and a commitment to creating a sustainable world. In this context, I urge everyone present here today to take a small step but impactful step. Avoid the use of plastic. Plastic waste poses a severe threat to our environment, and by reducing our dependence on it, we can contribute significantly to protecting our planet for future generations. Let us make sustainability a way of life and inspire our children to adopt eco-friendly practices. The theme of today's celebration is a beautiful tapestry of all the annual days themes we have embraced over the years. Each of these themes has been a stepping stone in our journey, symbolizing our collective efforts to build a community of learners, dreamers, and achievers. Tonight's program is a testament to the creativity, talent, and hard work of our students and teachers. The performances you will witness represent not just entertainment but also the values and lessons we instill in our children: teamwork, perseverance, and the courage to dream big. These values are integrally tied to essence of the SDGs, teaching our students to aspire for a better world. As we celebrate this milestone, let us take a moment to reflect on our achievements. Over the years, our school has not only excelled in academics but also made remarkable strides in the extracurricular activities, sports, and community services. Our students have brought laurels to the school, and our alumni continue to make us proud with their contribution to society. Khel Mahakumbh provide an exceptional platform for our students to showcase their artistic talents and celebrate our rich cultural heritage. This year our school participated in various events with immense enthusiasm and skills. We are proud to share that our students secured the first position in category like Sugam Sangeet, Bhajan, Saboo Geet, Tabla Vadan, Harmonium, while our Lok Geet and Garba performance earned second and third position respectively. Please give a big hand. ये कला महाकुंभ की बात करता हूँ, इसमें बच्चों ने इन पर्टिकुलर इवेंट्स में प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त किया है और अब वो स्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट करने जा रहे हैं और पहली बार ये पार्टिसिपेट किया। क्रेडिट गोज टू वन एंड ओनली अवर, कहाँ है हमारे म्यूजिक टीचर फ्रांसिस सर, प्लीज गिव अ बिग हैंड फॉर हिम। Additionally, our participants excelled in solo singing, dancing, instrumental performances and eloquent speech. A total of 83 students registered, out of which 36 were selected at the school level and 18 went to compete at the district level. Their creativity, dedication and teamwork truly stood out. Two of our participants competing in keyboard and Doha Chand Chopai have also made it to the district level. The hard work and the guidance from our teachers and judges were instrumental in this success. Let us applaud these remarkable achievements and continue to encourage our students to excel in such cultural platforms. There is a participation in Khel Kamuk too, and 53 students showcasing their talents in volleyball, kabaddi, football, chess, badminton and table tennis. None of this would have been possible without the relentless support of our management, who have always been the backbone of our vision. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated teachers who have been the architects of our success, and to our parents who have been our trusted partners in this journey. To my dear students, you are the heartbeat of this institution. Your energy, creativity and enthusiasm inspire us every day. As you take part in today's celebration, remember that you are the torchbearer of our legacy. The lessons you learn here, intervene with the principles of SDGC, will shape not just your future, but also the future of the world. As we look ahead, let us pledge to continue this journey of excellence. Let us strive to nurture not only great scholars, but also responsible citizens, compassionate leaders, and lifelong learners who are aware of their role in achieving these global goals and protecting our environment. I extend my deepest thanks to everyone who made this event possible. Your tireless efforts have transformed our vision for the Silver Jubilee celebration into reality. Let us now immerse ourselves in the magic of the performance and celebrate this momentous occasion with joy and gratitude. Thank you for being a part of this memorable evening. May I continue to soar high together. Thank you. अब थोड़ा मैं हिंदी में बता देता हूँ, बहुत सारे बच्चे समझ में नहीं आया होगा मैंने क्या बोला। पहले बात तो आपने पुष्पा 2 देखी, आप में से किस किस लोगों ने देखी? हाँ, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू। कितने घंटे की मूवी है? 3.5 आवर्स। तो मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूं कि ये जो शो है पुष्पा 2 को बीट कर देगा। आज का जो शो है पुष्पा 2 को बीट करेगा, लेकिन आपको बैठना है। और सबसे अच्छी बात इस शो की क्या है, आप ही के बच्चे हैं, आप ही के टीचर हैं, आप ही का स्कूल है, और पूरे प्रोग्राम में हमने किसी भी एक्सटर्नल रिसोर्सेज को यूज नहीं किया है। कोरियोग्राफी हमने की है, डिजाइन हमने किया है, सिलेक्शन हमने किया है। तो दिस इज नॉट ए स्मॉल थिंग, इट्स ए वेरी बिग थिंग। और अगर आप प्रोग्राम के बाद, जब प्रोग्राम पूरा हो जाएगा, नेशनल एंथम हो जाएगा, तो 3 to 4 मिनट्स और रुकेंगे तो आपको एक और सरप्राइज मिलेगा, और तब आप बोलेंगे, आप सब भी मानेंगे और कहेंगे कि शिक्षक कभी साधारण नहीं होता, उसके एक हाथ में निर्माण और विद्वान दूसरे हाथ में रहता है। धन्यवाद, आप सबका एक बार फिर स्वागत करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि आज का जो ये प्रोग्राम है वो आपके दिल को छुएगा और आपके बच्चों में एक नया उत्साह और नए दिन को फेस करने की शक्ति प्रदान करेगा। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I request our respected principal sir to kindly present a floral token to Srimati Kalpana Rao ma'am. I would invite Asma Mula, head girl, and Jigyasu Samvi, head boy, to present the floral token to respected principal Shri Mehboob Agarwal sir.
Prepared by our students. It is our performers as they step onto the stage to give us a performance full of energy and happiness. You will be surprised to know that these little stars are just 3 years old. Out of 63 tiny
बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हाले हाले झरोके चले खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे दबे दबे पाँव जरा चले आओ ये पल मिलेंगे कहाँ ये जिंदगी है और क्या एक चुटकुला हंस दे जरा खफा खफा क्यों है तू छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हाले हाले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे रत्ता थोड़ी थोड़ी जोरा चोरी थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी चोरी कर ले भोली भारी प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में भर ले थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरा चोरी थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी चोरी कर ले भोली भारी प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में भर ले ये जिंदगी है और क्या एक चुटकुला हंस दे जरा खफा खफा क्यों है तू छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हाले हाले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे रत्ता
जागो, थोड़ी मान जे
Thank you.